I didn't see you there. How you doing? Top 20 finalist! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am AmunaDavis and this is NYX FACE AWARDS BALTICS 2017 Top 20 Finalists Challenge video. So yeah, oh my god, we made it guys. I'm one of the top 20 finalists. And excuse my double chin, I don't know where it came from, so I just woke up and he was like, hello, I'm your friend now. And I'm like, okay, I don't have friends, so you can stay with me. So, to start this video, all you need to do is do your hair with the hair gel or water and fresh washed face. So don't do like primers or stuff like oils, because we're gonna work with the latex and spirit gum. We're gonna do a bald cap. When you are okay with your edges, then usually I just put this one up. The first step that I'm usually do is applying a spirit gum. If you don't know what is spirit gum is a glue. So at first you put the glue on. Before you do this, I would recommend you to plug your eyebrows because I didn't, so. Then you tap it with your finger until the glue is sticky. And now take your edges and just apply it. So now when you glue down the bald cap with your spirit gum, then on top, on the edges, we're gonna put liquid latex. Take Q-tip and just put the liquid latex on the edges where the bald cap is. Like that. Put one layer, then wait for a few minutes till it dries, and then put another layer, then again wait for a few minutes, and then another layer. I think I'm gonna do 5 layers because I want that it really blends in with the skin. So next step, what we need to do is to take NYX HD Photogenic finishing powder and put that powder on the edges where we just put liquid latex. It's gonna take off the thickness and the glossiness. So my base color is going to be really light baby food green. So you just take the baby food green body paint and just apply. So I'm gonna apply it on my face, neck, till my shoulders, till here, yes. Here, everywhere. So to set the body paint, I'm using NYX HD Photogenic finishing powder, taking on this kind of sponge and just pressing it into my skin. Just take the excess off. I created these flower pastels and I just love it. It's really simple. Just take carton paper, you can draw the shape as you want, and then just cut it out, and I painted it with aqua colors. To apply flower pastel, all you need is again liquid latex and spirit gum. So you take the spirit gum, you put it on the back, then take your finger, tap it until the glue turns like sticky, and then just apply your pastel. Mine is going to be here. Take liquid latex, take a Q-tip and put the liquid latex on the edge of pastel. I'm gonna take NYX Micro Brow Pencil in shade Espresso, and with this brow pencil we're gonna outline our like under eye ornamental. Now I'm going to take NYX Special Effects Face and Body Paint in shade White. I'm taking Hot Single eyeshadow in shade Kosh, setting the black body paint. Then I'm taking this blending brush, blending the edges out. After all, it should look like this. Now we're gonna do like flowerish ornamental on my forehead. So I'm taking NYX Micro Brow Pencil in shade Espresso, and then we're gonna use NYX Special Effects Face and Body Paint in shade Green. I'm outdrawing the line of this ornament flower, if I can say that. So now I'm taking NYX Special Effects Face and Body Paint in shade Black and creating shadowing. So now I am taking a liquid matte liner and outlining the lines. So now I'm doing a little bit detail work with the same white. Now I'm taking Vivid Bright liquid liner in shade Vivid Fire and just draw over the lines that we just did with the other liquid liner. With the same liquid liner, I'm creating dots on top of my eyes. So now I'm taking NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and just swiping it all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking NYX Special Effects Face and Body Paint Black, drawing the cat eye. And set that with NYX Hot Single eyeshadow in shade Raven. Then I'm taking a NYX Shadow Stick in shade Dangerously and putting that into my inner corner. And set that with NYX Hot Single eyeshadow in shade STFU. Hold on, don't let go. Then for waterline, I am taking a NYX Retractable Liner in shade Black. And blend that all out. And blend that all out with a blending brush. For eyelashes, I'm using NYX Color Mascara in shade Mint Gelée. For lips, I'm gonna use NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in shade Cherry Skies. I love this lipstick. This is one of my favorite lipsticks from NYX. So now I'm taking NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Cherry Sky and just making dots all over my body. You see? I hope you can see. I love these lipsticks. Like, if you have NYX Suede lipsticks, then girl, you don't need nothing else anymore. And the applicator is so good, and it's just everything. It really is. And the price is Chamezbos. I love NYX Cosmetics. Now I'm doing here. Yeah. So my butterfly ears are made out from the paper also, and I hot glued down to the headband, and I'm finished. Now I'm going to put some contact lenses and I'm gonna be back. So this is it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you liked the video, and I hope it's not too creepy that you can see my eyes, because I can see nothing. Like, it's like white wall in front of me. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you for your support and your love, and that you are sharing my videos and checking my videos and just being with me in this competition. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe down there or here. Like, if you want to see more crazy ass looks like this and spend time with me, then definitely subscribe. Feel free to contact me, give me some comments down below, and give me some thumbs up, because I want to feel your love. So yes, thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.